my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karima, and today we are going to be doing a quick tutorial on this super easy hairstyle that I achieved in like I think 5 minutes. It was so easy, and I am a creature of habit, and I've been trying to get out of my comfort zone lately, and one of the things I stick to most is my hairstyles and my makeup looks and just everything. So I'm really excited to be doing this video today because I feel like this hairstyle, this hairstyle is definitely way out of my comfort zone, and it's not something I would normally do. But I actually had so much fun doing this, and I love the finished look and I love the outcome, and I think it's so pretty. I feel so pretty. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna go through and brush my hair. That was my straightener turning on because I think I'm gonna do some curls too. So I'm thinking, hold on. Okay, yeah. I'm thinking to keep it a little bit messier. So I don't know if I want to do a straight part back or a middle, or a curved part back. So I know I want to start on this side. Let me see what both look like. If I'm going to do curved. It's going to be like that. Kind of. Well, okay, well. Like that, I think. And then I'm going to cut it off right there. Okay, so it looks like that. Should I do a curved? Ooh, that's really deep. No, okay, hold on. Hold on. I want it kind of like where my eyebrow is. So let's try that. Yeah, that's way better. And the part came out so clean. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, I'm just gonna do this with my finger, the bang part, to see how much I should let out. Is that too much? Yeah, way too much. Oh my gosh, you guys, what if this doesn't look good? Okay, what do I think? Yeah, I think that is a good, decent amount. Okay, I am going to put this up really quickly. I'm gonna just put this into a ponytail just so I can work on the bang. Because I think I'm gonna put that in rollers. So this is what we have out, and we need to make this definitely a little bit cleaner. Or actually, when it falls, yeah, let's make it a little bit cleaner. That's what we're gonna do. I think I need some more hair. Ah! Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I'm thinking I want, like in the pictures, I want it to be a little bit of a curl. So I'm thinking I'm gonna start with about, maybe not that much, maybe this much. Yeah, about half. I split both these in roughly half. They're not the same size. Maybe I'll do a little bit more. No. Like that. Roughly half. Kind of like what I would do if I'm doing this the way I would normally want to do it. Because normally I do looks with like the 2 pieces out like this, and then whatever else is going on. I have never done a full like side part or anything. So I'm gonna go through and just straighten that a little bit. But I'm gonna go through and curl my hair with a straightener, which is something I've never done. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of curl it like I would a curling iron. Like so. And I'm going to take my big roller and I'm going to immediately roll my hair into the roller like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, I should have started with, I should have started with this side, you guys, so then that way, okay, it's okay. It should still work. I just have to be a little bit more careful. So, oh my gosh. Ooh, that one came out really curly. My hair is freshly cut. I think I got my hair cut about 2 weeks ago now, or 3 weeks ago. So my hair is still pretty freshly cut. So I have a lot of layers in it still. So I think that's helping a lot. Okay, while this sets, we're gonna work on everything else. We're gonna work on the hair and the bun and everything. I want a very messy bun, like the one in the picture where she had kind of like the front pieces out too. So we'll get a good curl in those. But I want like a bun up here. I don't want this so structured and tight because then I feel like you lose the framing of my face a little bit. I'm gonna clip these away so that I know not to use them. Clip it away like that. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil because I don't want this to be gelled. I don't want my hair to be gelled down, but I do want it to be slicked. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil at the front because it is a little bit dry. And then I'm gonna go in with my smoothing brush and smooth my hair back as best as I can. Just the front, because again, I want this to be messy. And then I'm gonna go in with a hair tie. And I'm just gonna do a ponytail for right now. So I wanna make sure of the placement. What do we think? Is that placement good? I think so. I'm gonna do this pretty tight, which I hate doing hair ties, tight hair ties on my hair. I usually always do scrunchies. I'm gonna take these stupid clips out. Okay, and then I'm gonna actually just go over it. And actually just go over it with a straightener really quick too. Ooh, that's a lot of hair. My goodness. Now I have to figure out how to do a bun while leaving some pieces out, like an intentionally messy bun. I kind of like the ponytail. If my ponytail was a little bit longer, like here, I would have kept it this way. So I want the bun to be messy, but I do need some strands hanging like that and like that. Okay, so I took out about that many pieces in the back, and now I'm just gonna make my bun. I lost the pieces. I lost my pieces. They're nowhere to be found. Why is this so hard? Genuinely, why is this so hard? Okay, I'm gonna twist this. I have my 2 strands hanging out. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the bun. Okay, I can work with this. Yeah, I can work with this. I could even like, yep, okay. I'm gonna put a bobby pin right here, right in the front. Once I grab it. Right in the front, holding that down. Okay, what do you guys think? I think I did it. Okay, perfect. Now these pieces that are hanging out, which should just be these 2, I'm gonna curl them really quick with my straightener. So cute. So so cute. But now I feel like I need more. Like I need another one on this side. Can I do it? Okay. Okay, that works, to be honest. It's in the blend. Okay. And I'm gonna bobby pin that down. This is what the back is looking like. Ignore this part, but this is what the back is looking like. All right. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of a curl to these front pieces too, just because now they look a little bit like misplaced because they're not curled. Perfect. Maybe a little, that was a little too curled, but okay. Perfect. I think that looks good. Okay, let's take these rollers out. Oof. And I just rolled them whatever direction they're willing to come out in. Okay, bring them all. That looks so cute. Okay. If I can get them to, I want it to blend together. I don't want it to look like two separate curls. Do you see the layers that I'm talking about in my hair? I think these are short. Yeah. I'm gonna brush this out. Better. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. I don't love the bang. I feel like the bang needs to drop a little bit. I don't think this is very me, but I think it's really pretty and I think it is really cute. Yeah, I don't think this is definitely my style, but I think it's so super cute. Okay, I just need to stop touching it because there's nothing wrong with it at this point. Now I'm going to kind of do my baby hairs in the front. Just in the front, like the ones that are showing and that are on my face. Just gonna make them a little bit more presentable. Okay, and then on this side, I think I'm gonna do the same thing as well. Even though it's kind of hidden, but I don't know, just in case the wind blows my hair the other direction. You get no surprises. I don't know, you guys. I don't know how I feel about this, but I think it's so super cute. I think if I change my earrings to something a little bit more dramatic, I think it would be so super cute. It's definitely something that's different for me and not my style, but I think this is so cute. Let me pull this out a little bit. I think this is so cute, and I think that for someone with a different face than mine, I think this would look so good, but I think on me, it just looks a little bit funny. But you let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this looks good or not, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!